Alright, y'all, so right now I'm in Chicago and I'm here on Michigan Ave, finna get ready to try egg tuck out. We got our orange juice. Oh my gosh, it's like opening a present. This is a big batch dream. I don't know what they doing with a packaging like this, but this is literally the dream of a big bag girl. All right, y'all. We're about to arrive at Egg Tuck. You okay?
You know that. What you want to charge me? I'm sure you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Let me nip that in the bud and tell you how pretty you are.
Thank you.
You see he opened the door for you? That's a gentleman.
Hello. All right, y'all, so right now I'm in Chicago and I'm here on Michigan Ave, finna get ready to try egg tuck out. Super excited. Never been here. We don't have one back home in Memphis, so this is something new. If y'all know me, y'all should already know I'm not the biggest egg person unless it's scrambled or unless it's boiled. I don't really like eggs like that, so this is gonna be a fun little experiment to see what kind of flavors they got and what kind of taste they giving, so we're excited about that. Let's go check it out. Now that I do that, I think somebody was in that car. That was awkward. I think somebody's in the car right behind me. Oh my gosh, jump scare once again. Sorry, I have no idea what that was about. He's been following me for like the last block. Oh, and I've just been like, help, somebody help me.
Oh my god, I'm glad you're okay though.
Yeah, have good skills. I'm from down south. I'm from Memphis.
Memphis?
Oh. Yeah, so.
You're just visiting Chicago?
Yeah.
You like it so far?
So far, so good. Yeah, so far, so good. That was my little first, like, ooh, okay. Yeah. But it was like a little piece of home. It happens at home, too. Yeah. They just attach to whomever they can. But,
yeah, they're kind of revealing.
Yeah. But so far, so good. I was not prepared for the weather. Yikes.
Oh, yeah, it's a little bit, what, you think it's like chilly?
It's a lot more chilly than I was expecting. Yeah. Especially for April. Is it like this always in April?
It depends. Usually if the winter's like really cold, then yeah, then like
it flows over. Yeah.
But it usually warms up like towards the end of April.
Okay.
And then May is usually like May, June it starts getting hotter.
I'll probably come back in June. Yeah.
July.
Thank you. Literally, I've been running for like the last block.
Yeah, I assumed he was following you again.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. That's not on you guys. Yeah.
That was crazy. I'm glad he dealt with it. I don't have patience for them like that, so I was like, let me not.
I'm like, you got one more time to lean over here in my personal space.
Yeah, so I was like trying to figure out, I was like, oh wait, I don't think he knows her. And I was like,
Just got here this morning. No one knows me.
yeah.
But yeah. I'm gonna go get some more content in the back with her. Oh, do. Should have put a ring on it. All right, y'all. So right now we are at Egg Tuck on Michigan Ave, right here in Chicago, the dirty Chi. Okay, the Chi town. We got our orange juice. And then I got the royal sandwich and a bacon one. And then we got tots. We got the loaded tots, and then we got the regular tots. So this is probably the royal, and these the tots. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna put these to the side because these for my friend to try. So we're gonna put her meal to the side. And I'm gonna show y'all, man, hopefully the music not too loud. And we don't have to deal with the whole copyright issue, because I would hate that. My back hurt. I don't know why. Oh, I was trying to go to Find My and figure out how far she is. Trying to keep myself centered. Oh. My girl is still at the goddamn airport. 16 miles away. Boo, your food gonna be cold. It's 1 o'clock. We still have 3 hours before we can check into the B&B. After this, I wanted to go to Alice in Wonderland and the Starbucks Rosary. We don't have anything else scheduled to do until 6:30, so. Okay. So first I'm gonna show you the Royal West sandwich. Royal West. So. Oh my. Can y'all see the sauce in there? Just gleaming, glistening. Oh my. My. Ooh. That smells good. I'm not gonna lie, that smells good. Oh, I gotta get some silverware. Okay, next we're gonna show you the tater tots, which have the egg sauce and sriracha. Ooh. Let me go get some silverware, and I need some napkins. Okay, we got our napkins and we got our silverware. Let's try the tater tots first. Now, the tater tots gonna be the real judge of character, I'm not gonna lie, because if you know me, you know that tater tots, potatoes in particular, are my favorite food of all time, okay? Anybody who knows me knows I love potatoes. So let's just really see what they're talking about, because y'all know I love potatoes. Any kind of potato, don't matter. I'm not the biggest fan of eggs. We talked about this, and I'm scared. So let's see. Okay, let me get some with a lot bit of everything. Let's see that heat. Yeah. I ain't never had nothing like this in my life. I'm finna start putting eggs and sauce on top of potato tot. It is spicy, but it's good. It's giving. That's good. It's giving. That's so elegant and decadent. This got to be fresh, pressed, cold orange juice. You know what I'm saying? Speed is automatic, supersonic. I'm not gonna hold you. That do taste like real orange juice. I don't think that's out no can. I'm gonna clarify for y'all. I'm gonna ask them, is this fresh pressed orange juice? Cause this shit good. I ain't gonna lie. The tater tots alone have confirmed that I will be coming back before all of them. I didn't want to duplicate eating nothing while I was here, but I don't know now. I think I'm gonna have to come back here. Yeah. I'm taking a picture. Damn. This is where sometimes being a content creator go wrong as hell. You just be eating shit. Just gonna start eating. Okay. Let's get into this beautiful work of art of a sandwich. Oh my gosh. It's like opening a present. This is a big batch dream. I don't know what they doing with a packaging like this, but this is literally the dream of a big bag girl. Oh my. I gotta take a picture of that. Like, why would you come over here? There's just people just be doing shit. I don't want to get that. Okay, we're gonna set this up properly. I literally have on all black. We don't want no smoke, egg cups, and the cream sauce. I'm just saying, okay? We don't want no problems. So let's just properly prepare ourselves, okay? I don't know whether I want to take it out yet, because y'all need to see that. Look at that bread. Look at that. Yeah, y'all need to see that. I'm putting it back though, because I like that. I want to eat out of there. Okay. Are we ready? Mama too. I'm gonna lie. That was worth a little bit of makeup. That just came off. That's good. Y'all know what? Okay, Chicago. It's my first time eating something here. And so far, you got to give Egg Tuck a 10 out of 10. The fact that they got pickles in here with this breakfast sandwich. Tell me they know what they doing. Without telling me they know what they doing. Right. What that boy say? Oh, tenderness. I ain't throwing my glasses. They $250. That I won't be doing. I did. And now I was gone, there was nothing to say. I feel it's late. Tell me, no, shout it from the rooftop. Not the best. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, yeah.
It is cold, but it's cold. So what you get?
I got you a do you eat bacon? I didn't even add.
Yeah.
Okay, because some people don't eat pork. Bacon is like the only pork I still eat.
Thanks. That's the only pork I can't stop.
Literally. Everything else, I'm cool on. I got that and some tater tots.
Okay.
It's like they side.
I sure was like, dang, what a minute.
Orange juice, okay. I ain't asked about nothing. I'm sorry.
You did these things. You did great, actually.
I know like that shit was good. I know like that shit was good.
The food. So what you have to do for them, like just a video?
And I was supposed to do some food photography, so I gotta take a picture of your food because I demolished my shit.
Okay. Let me get the scenery. You wanna say hey? Hey girl.
What's up?
So we got the
Look.
orange juice.
Say hey, boom.
And the food. I think it's the sandwich.
Then the tots. I think tots had it.
I like that fun. I like to take them back on that old school shit. Yeah. The money